morning, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to run Facebook ads with your phone. Okay, as you already know, Facebook ads is one of the best marketing opportunities available to us in this age. And a misconception a lot of people have is that you have to use your laptop or your desktop to run Facebook ads. But Facebook has made it possible for us to use our phones to run ads as well. So the app we're going to be using to run Facebook ads is the app known as Facebook Ads Manager. Okay, Facebook Ads Manager is the app version of the Facebook Ads Manager website or Facebook Ads Manager platform, which you find inside the Facebook Ads Business Suite. Okay, so we're going to go to Play Store and we'll find Facebook Ads Manager. You can easily find it by typing in Ads Manager or Facebook Ads Manager in the search bar, and this will pop up. All you have to do is to install it and make sure you have a Facebook page. For you to use Facebook Ads Manager, you must have a Facebook page. If you don't know how to create a Facebook page, you should look for a video to watch and learn how it is done. Okay, so now we're going to the app itself, and this is the Facebook Ads Manager, and we're going to open it up. Now on this page there are a lot of things here, and you need to take notes of each and every one of them because they are all very important. The very first thing we're going to do before we start creating an ad is to understand everything that is on the screen right now, all the menu buttons and stuff like that. We're going to understand each and every. You can see I am currently running an ad for a solar powered lamp. I'm running it out of one of my ad accounts, although I'm running it for someone. So I'm going to show you how to get this kind of ad set up on your phone. But before we go into that, let us look at all the buttons and different things that are on the screen right now. So the first thing we're going to look at is the account. So you can see where it has the Leaks brand written. That is one of my ad accounts. So if I click on it, you're going to see my other ad accounts. So from here you can select which ad account you want to use to run your ads. So I have my personal ad account and my business ad account, which is two of them. Okay, you can see my personal ad account below and my business account, which I'm currently using. Next thing we want to go to is this button written all pages. Right now on the screen, what you're seeing is ads for all the pages I manage. If I click on this all pages button, I can now see all the pages which I manage. So I can select a different page. I can select only see ads for this one, and this will show up because that is the ad, or that's the page I'm running ads for. Or I can click on this one and that will show up because I'm not running any ad on that page. So just like that. So when you click on all pages, you can see all the ads you're running for every different page which you manage. Next thing, we're going to click on these three lines on the left side of the screen, and it's going to give us this drop down menu. Now we're going to look at billing. This is where you add payment methods, where you see your receipt and where you see your bill date. Now payment methods, I do not advise adding a payment method here with your phone. This is because on a desktop it allows you to fund your account directly, so it only uses the money that is already inside your account. However, with this method, it adds your debit card to the account, and personally I don't like that. Some people do it, but I don't like to do it, and I don't advise people to do it. So you can, if you want to do it, you can add your payment method by clicking on add payment method, and it will bring you to this screen. Click on add new credit or debit card, and then you can fill in your details and save. Next thing we're going to look at is receipts. This is where you see the receipts for all the ads you've run. So these are the receipts for the ads I have run so far. That's just about it. You can see the money you added. I added this amount to my ad account, so everything here, they have been taken from my ad account balance, not from my card. And then bill date means when next your bill will come, kind of your monthly bill or something like that. So now that we understand all of this stuff, okay, let's look at account overview. So you click on see more, and it will give you a list of how your ad has performed today or yesterday. You can see yesterday I spent 17 naira and I reached 12 people, and there are 2 post page engagements and 2 post engagements. So that's that about that. Now we're going to look at how to create an ad. So the first thing you want to do is to click on this green button or at the bottom right of the screen. So I'm going to be creating an ad for Clean Moves for Healthy Homes. And if you're moving out of your house, going to a new place, you want to buy solar gadgets, both solar lamps, solar panels, basically whatever will make living easier for you, then visit this page, Clean Moves for Healthy Homes, and you will find something that will make your life a lot easier. Let's go back to what we came for. I want to select the page I want to run the ad for. So I can run an ad for any of these pages which I manage, but I'm going to run the ad for Clean Moves for Healthy Homes because that is what I'm focusing on for now. So let us think about a marketing objective. Here, post engagement, which that means you want people to like your post, comment, or share your post. Okay, video views means you want to get people to view your video. Website traffic means you want to send people to your website, maybe to purchase or things like that. Reach means you want to show your ad to the maximum number of people possible, and reach ads are very cheap to run. Messages means you want people to send you a message on Messenger or on WhatsApp. Page likes, it's explanatory, you want people to like your page. And event responses means you want people to respond to your online event. So I'm going to click on website traffic. Okay, now that it has loaded up, I want to change the image. So I can use a page image, that's an image that is already on my page or on the page I'm running the ad for. I can use images from my device. I can use images I've used to run ads before, or I can use the images from the Instagram account that is linked to the Facebook page. Okay, so I'm just going to select one of the page images. So let's say I want to run ads for these solar street lamps, and I'll click on that. As you can see, solar street lamp that is both for homes, communities, farms, and even a swimming pool. So next thing, I'm going to click on this button down below here, and I'm going to edit the text in the ad. So the first thing we're going to do is to change the headline. The headline in a Facebook ad does not appear on top, it appears below. So basically what it has to do is to emphasize what you've already written, and then you will make it such that people want to take action to buy what you are selling, or to take the action that you want them to take. So in this case, I want them to visit my website, so I have to write something that will make them visit my website. So I can write something like, click here to visit my website and buy. Of course, this is not what you write. Like, if you write this, people will skip over your ad, but that is just giving you an instance. So for the primary text, which is what appears on top of the image, you can start, this is the best solar powered lamp, something like that. Then you go to the website, and the website is already there. So I can now come to the call to action. Now the call to action means which action do you want people to take. I can leave it at learn more, so that people click over to the website and they read more about the solar lamp and they can purchase. Or I can click shop now, which is basically the same thing. They click over to the website and they purchase. If I click book now, it means I want people to book an appointment with me. And I click listen now, it means I want them to listen to something. Since I want them to shop, I'm going to leave it at shop now. Then this special ad category, you are not going to touch it, because if your ad is not related to credit, employment, housing, social issues, elections, or politics, then that category does not concern you at all. So you're going to leave it alone. And the ad preview is loading here. It's taking up too much time, should have loaded by now, but I'm not going to wait for it. Just keep this video as short as possible. I'm going to go forward. Next, we've come to audience, and as you can see, I already have audiences saved already. But I'm going to teach you how to edit your audience. So if you come to this place, you can choose to target your ads people who have liked your page. It's very effective if you have a very large following. Let's say you have up to maybe 100,000, 200,000, maybe up to 1,000,000 page likes. Then targeting people who like your page will be especially effective, because they are already interested in your products, your service, or your business. Then Facebook, targeting everybody on Facebook. Facebook allows you to target people depending on different demographics. So if you want to find out, you click on edit audience. Now they said United States, and no, I don't want people in the United States, so I'm going to search. So I want to remove United States, but I want to target people in Nigeria. So I'm going to select Nigeria. I'm going to click good or okay. Now I'm going to select the age range. In Nigeria, anybody below 18 is a minor. So most times you don't even target your ad to people below 18. Second reason why you won't target your ad to people below 18 is because most of them do not earn an income and so cannot buy. You want to target your ad to people who can actually buy what you're selling. So you increase this. I usually start from 25 and I usually stop at 50. So depending on what you are selling, you can target both men and women, or you can target only men or only women. If you're selling female clothes, of course you'll be targeting women. If you're selling male clothes, you'll be targeting men. If you are advertising a business that is predominantly men, then you want to target men. If you're advertising a business that is predominantly women, you want to target women. Then detailed targeting. You can add people who fit certain interests and stuff like that. So reach specific audiences by looking at their interests, activities, and pages they have liked. Go to interests. Now you can come here and select based on business, the business that they do. You can see and select based on the business that they do. So Facebook allows you to target a lot of people. Okay, so these are businesses you can target. So if you're looking for someone who is in the advertising business, simply click on advertising and add, and you can see it has 548 million people who are in the business. Looking for someone in aviation, someone in design, economics, engineering, healthcare, whatever you want, small businesses, you can target that too. So we'll go back and we're going to go to entertainment. So basically, what does the person read? What does the person listen to? What does the person watch? What are the person's life events? What kind of games does the person play? Okay, things like that. You can target people based on this as well. Then family and relationships too. Is the person married? Is the person single? Is the person a father, a mother? Is the person a parent? Is the person about to wed, or is having a wedding anniversary? Things like that. Then fitness and wellness, food and drink, hobbies and activities, shopping and fashion. You click on shopping and fashion, obviously it can target, you can see people who are mostly into fashion accessories or clothes or beauty products. You understand? Just basically you're targeting people based on their behavior, things they do online, and Facebook has all of that data. You can also target people based on technology, the kind of maybe phones or computers they use. You understand? You can see computers you target, they will still bring out a list of other interests. So if you are selling computer monitors, of course there is a place for you to target people who are interested in buying computer monitors or who are computer monitor enthusiasts. If you're selling a free software or if you're promoting a free software, you can promote it to people too. If you're selling hard drives, even network storage, any kind of thing you can target. So basically you can target people on Facebook based on different demographics, and this is just interest. We've not even started talking about reaching people based on education and employment. You can see education and employment. You can select the education level. Personally, when I run ads, I like to select people who are college graduates or in college. So I usually start from in college grad, associate degree, just anybody that has passed high school, because they are more likely to buy, they're more likely to understand what you are writing in the first place, and most probably they have the money to purchase. Next thing is financial. You can target based on income, which is a whole lot, especially if you are targeting people in the United States. If you're targeting people in the United States, you want to sell high ticket offers, which means expensive products. You can target people that people basically target rich people. Okay, you can target very rich, very very rich people just from this, so that those who earn higher, you target them. Like household income, top 5% of zip codes. These are the richest people in those zip codes. Zip code means an area in a particular state or a location. Top 5% of zip codes simply means the richest people in that zip code. So basically, you're targeting the richest people there. If that's for the United States, this works mostly for US. Then there's parents. Are they first time parents? Do they have maybe more than one child, two children? Relationships, are they single, married, divorced? Then work, where do they work? Who are their employers? And things like that. So what other things could be here? Let's see. Wow. So there's a lot of people you can target. There are a lot of demographics you can target, and it's even like more interesting than the ads manager. I think personally, well, that's what I think. I think it's more interesting than the ads manager. So when you're done picking your detailed targeting, you can go to the advanced options. Then you can select by language. If you're targeting in the United States, for example, there are some people who speak Spanish, there are some people who speak English. So if you're writing in English, you want to target those who speak English and exclude those who speak Spanish. Then you can see your audience is too specific and has a potential reach of 1,000 people. Okay, let me just select some random stuff. Okay, let me select those in real estate. So now it has a potential reach of 499 million. Okay, and let's continue. I'm just going to save as new audience. Yeah, just that. So the next thing we are going to do is to go to the billing. um how do you want to pay for your ad? Now I usually suggest starting your ad with 400 naira. Why? Because if the ad is not working, throwing more money at it will not make it to work. So 400 is the lowest you should start with. Okay, 400 is the lowest you should start with. And I want it to be optimized for link clicks. Good. Then we'll go back and then we'll click on the OK button. So you can see the ad is ready, and if I click on the place order button now, it will be submitted for review. But I do not want to place this ad, so I'm not going to submit it for review. I'm not going to click the place order button. But you understand the process through which I have gotten to this point. So you can also play around with this app and find different strategies that work for you. So I'm just going to exit. I do not want to use this ad, so I'm just going to exit. Good. So that is it about ad ad creation with the that's it about ad creation with the Facebook ad manager app. I really hope you did get value from this video.